All right, so in this video, we're going to get started just by looking at Photoshop once you open it up, taking a look at the different options that we have available to help set up our project from the start so we're headed in the right direction. Let's jump in and take a look. All right, so here I am. I've already loaded Photoshop, and you can see here in the recents in the center, these are all the different documents or files that I've opened up and started to work on for one reason or another. Now, we've got some different options. So if I say new file in the upper left corner, or you could say open an existing file, okay, there's different things, your files shared with you, Lightroom photos from Lightroom, so you can link Lightroom right into Photoshop. But we're going to click on new file for now. And here in the center, we have in this window, let's bring this down here, we've got some different options. Recent file sizes, recent images that you would have created, like different ratios and things like 4K, or some custom things that you may have opened. You have so maybe presets that you've downloaded from Adobe stock, or some things like that. And then you've got photo, print. So these are all like designed for print-based or editing photos, landscape or portrait, and you can scroll down through here and find different options available there. Art and illustration, so maybe you're creating a poster or a painting or some big illustration, maybe it's a book cover. Web, maybe your image is being designed for a website, so you can already create the presets and use the presets here to create an image for a website. Mobile, whole section here for mobile devices, for your iPhone, for the Apple Watch, the iPad, Android devices as well. Social media, all these different presets are already built here for you to take advantage of. And then finally, film and video. So these are all designed for creating something that's going to be displayed on a TV or on a big screen. So let's go ahead and choose one. And for now, I'm going to go with print. So let's take a look here. I'm going to go art and illustration, and let's do 18 by 24. We're going to create a poster, and that looks good, 18 by 24. I want a good resolution, so 300 pixels per inch is a good resolution for me on this. I'm going to keep everything else the same. I'm not going to change anything, and I'm going to create the title here at the top. I'm going to call this one Landscape Composition. Landscape composition. So I'm going to create a landscape here, and I'm going to click create. All right, so there you go. We're in our document, ready to get started to create our composition. In the next lesson, we're going to start looking at the different tools. We've got the selection tool coming up, and we're going to go tool by tool and understand what everything does to make sure that you're ready for that ACA test, for that certification. I'll see you in the next lesson.